Welcome to Fresh Faces. In today's review segment, I'm here to do a small review and unboxing of wallet which is branded Polis. So before getting into the segment, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So today I purchased the wallet from Flipkart which is branded Polis. So I just thought of giving a small review of this wallet which is genuine leather. So let's get started. So while unboxing, you can see that a brand logo of Polis is written on the box. You can see. So at the back side, you can see that all the specifications and details. You can see the price, also all the details. So after removing the box, you can see that this wallet is covered by using two butter papers which is branded Polis. So you can see that the packing is very much perfect. So this is the wallet. So you can see that the logo is printed on the front side and it is empty on the back side. So this is normally a bifolded wallet. So you can see that the inside portion of the wallet, they have provided with many cards to prevent any damage during the shipping process of this wallet. So these are many empty cards. So while opening, you can see that there is a thank you note. So if you're not satisfied, you can immediately replace this order also, return this order, as you can see. A thank you note, and there is a small menu of this brand Polis, as you can see. So there are different products of this Polis brand. Bags, wallets. So here is a detailed note of the service, contact information, everything. So these two are the notes which is present inside a wallet. So while opening the wallet, you can see that they are providing two different slots for placing the cash so that you can arrange the notes in a proper order. Then you can see that they have provided many slots for placing your credit cards, debit cards, PAN cards, ID cards, everything. So there are normally 4 slots for placing all your cards. Then you can see there is a zipper pocket. You can see there is a zipper pocket which is used for you can see that it's well packed. The packing is extremely good. So this zipper pocket is normally used for storing all your coins. So yes, these types of wallets fit nicely in front and back pockets as well. So this is a genuine leather wallet designed with perfect combination of card slots, texture and color. So when coming to texture and color, it matters a lot. So you can trustworthily choose this wallet. So if you are in search of a genuine and authentic leather wallet, then you can undoubtedly use this Polis branded wallet, which is a one-stop destination and which can be purchased online. So I'll leave the link in the description box below for purchasing this wallet, and you can get this wallet at its best price during the sale time. Moreover, this wallet also provides a good option for gifting to your loved ones. So I hope you have all enjoyed my video. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.